students, teachers, and friends, as we continue to watch the ongoing war in Israel with anguish and sorrow. Our thoughts and sympathies are with those in Israel and elsewhere who have been affected by the suffering, violence, and loss of life that the war has caused, and we hope for a peaceful end to the conflict. We as students don't take side in this complicated situation. Instead, we stand for peace, understanding, and compassion. We believe in talking, being kind, and living together peacefully. Our hearts go out to everyone affected by these conflicts, no matter where they're from. As per the latest news, the number of Thais who lost their life in the Hamas attack on Israel has risen to 21 after another Thai worker was reported to have been killed, Prime Minister Srettha Thavisin said last Thursday. There are about 7,000 Thais living in Israel who have been affected, and we want them to feel safe when they return to Thailand. Ambassador Bilingual School students, teachers, faculty, and staff have been personally and deeply affected by this conflict. We offer our heartfelt concern and support during this difficult time. Even in tough times, we must remember that there's always hope for a better future. We, ABS students, have a role to play in making a new world where people of all backgrounds can live together in peace and safety. Together, we can get through tough times and with peace, heal old wounds. Let's join hands to make the world a better place. ABS News.